It's now again. Welcome back to It's Now Again. Today, again, this is a little bonus episode, and I'm excited to share something really special, something that's been in the works for a long time. So, if you're someone who has lost your faith, or if you've been searching for meaning without the structure of religion, I want you to stick around. This episode is for you. Yesterday, I introduced my new program, the 8-week Find Direction, Community, and Purpose Again Challenge. And honestly, the response was incredible. I heard from so many of you who are ready to regain a sense of meaning and purpose in your lives after leaving your faith behind. And I get it. When you lose something as foundational as your belief system, it's easy to feel lost. You may find yourself searching for something new, but feeling alone in that search. You want to move forward, but without the guideposts of religion, it can feel overwhelming. And that's where I come in. I'm looking for 10 ex-Christians who are tired of being alone in their search for new meaning after losing their faith. 10 founding members who are ready to take back control of their lives and work closely with me to achieve a new personalized direction in life. This all kicks off on the 27th of October, 2024, and I'll be right there with you every step of the way. Does that sound exciting to you? Imagine what it would feel like to stop being lost, lonely, and purposeless, to start taking the right steps towards finally achieving a new values-based direction in life. Now, let me break down what those 10 founding members will get. First, you'll get access to the 8-week Find Direction, Community, and Purpose Again Challenge. This is the core of the program designed to help you rediscover peace by living a life aligned with your true values. And here's the best part. It's flexible. It only takes an extra, I like to say 20 minutes a day, but really you decide, anywhere from 1 to 20 minutes a day, depending on your schedule. Plus, you'll have an entire community of like-minded people who are on the same journey, so you'll never feel alone. But that's just the beginning. You'll also get some amazing bonuses, including weekly group meditation to retrain your brain and foster community. And bonus 2 is guided meditation recordings so that you can foster daily peace whenever and wherever. Bonus number 3 is a life blueprint workbook, which will help you build your new purpose from scratch. Bonus number 4 is your own app to act as a daily personal trainer for your mind, helping you stay focused and mindful throughout the day. Bonus 5 is discounted monthly coaching, which includes access to new content, weekly coaching calls after the challenge, and ongoing support from our exclusive community to keep you on track for your long-term results. The best part, as a founding member, you're going to get all of this at a huge discount. When the program launches to the public, I'm going to charge $997 for everything. But right now, because I'm looking for those first 10 founding members, I'm offering it for just $497. Now, you might be wondering, what's the catch? Well, there's no catch. I'm looking for people who are serious about making a change and who are willing to give me honest feedback and testimonials. That's it. In fact, let me share a quick testimonial from someone who's been through this journey with me. Jen from Somerset, Queensland in Australia says, joining this course was really beneficial for me because having that accountability and structure to know where to start and what to move on to next really helped keep me on track, and also not to feel so alone and insane whilst on this journey, because it seems to be a very lonely journey walked. I have a much deeper understanding of myself now, which helps me on this journey profusely. The tools I was given throughout the challenge are things that I was able to implement into my current life. And Jeremy is very understanding with each individual's levels and suggested the appropriate actions to suit. Thank you, Jen. I really appreciate it. So Jen, her experience is exactly what I want to do and why I do this. So if this resonates with you, if you're ready to reclaim your values and find peace again, here's what I want you to do. Email me at itsnowagain@gmail.com. That's all the letters with no apostrophe. itsnowagain@gmail.com. Or simply comment, I'm ready to reclaim my values. Whenever you're listening to this episode, there are only 10 spots available for founding members. So if this sounds like you, don't wait. Take that first step toward finding direction, community, and purpose again. Thank you for tuning in today. And I can't wait to connect with those of you who are ready for this transformative journey. Until next time, stay present, keep practicing, and remember, it's now again.